Welcome back to Tech Tuesday. My name is Cody with Evolution AV, and today we're diving back into QSC's Q-SYS lineup to see what control systems are available for this ingenious solution. QSC's Q-SYS ecosystem is something we've covered before, from video integration and devices to audio setups and systems. However, there's one more aspect of every AV system still left to talk about. How do we control it all? Don't worry, QSC thought about that too. To start with, there is no extra hardware to buy for control. It's already part of the main core that is used, so no additional boxes or expense. QSC also offers a variety of touchscreen controllers native to the Q-SYS ecosystem. These can either be surface mounted, like this one here, or wall mounted. Either way, they look very sleek. The interface is extremely user-friendly, and just like everything else in the land of Q-SYS, it's drag and drop integration with the rest of your Q-SYS ecosystem. In addition, you can easily create a custom UCI that can be used on an iPhone, an iPad, or a tablet running Windows. Now, it's wild to think that old, huge, cumbersome AV hardware pieces are slowly being eliminated by innovative software like Q-SYS. Like I've said before, the Q-SYS ecosystem is one of the most brilliantly innovative systems we've seen by far. I simply cannot state how great it is to have a fully integrated AV solution with minimal hardware. It helps out everyone from the install side to the end user experience. For more information on QSC and the Q-SYS ecosystem, check out their website over at qsc.com. And as always, you can find more Tech Tuesday and AV related videos over at evolutionav.ca. We'll see you all next time.